was satisfying, but we'll find out when the video comes up to more. So yeah, so please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I know I've already said it, but yeah, and I want more cloud. I sound like a YouTuber. I want more cloud. I'm just doing this for cloud, and I'm just doing this for fun. I'm only 13. So yeah. So I guess let's see if this is satisfying or not. The pen got stuck. So comment down below if that was satisfying or not. So the next thing is sweets. Eating a sweet. So I don't know if I can actually open this. But yeah. I'm gonna try anyway. I've got some really weird ways of opening sweets. This sweet says, be mine. So be mine, please. Single dice. So yeah, I'm gonna eat it now. I don't actually like these sweets, but okay, so the next thing is gonna be a paintbrush, I think. It's gonna be a paintbrush on my sword. Got the paintbrush seems to satisfy. Comment down below if that was satisfying or not. So the next thing is gonna be an eyebrow brush. So comment down below if that was satisfying or not. So the next thing is going to be a makeup brush. This smells actually really kind of nice. So yeah, comment down below if you want a tutorial when I clean my brushes. Like, this is all I do and it comes up brand new. So yeah, comment down below if this is going to be satisfying. So that's one side, and now it's time for the beauty blender side. Okay, so that's